हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ बीई जून 2024 जून 2025 का एबिलिटी एनहांसमेंट कंपलसरी कोर्स ऑन एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज का क्वेश्चन पेपर और इसकी आंसर की। ये 2 आवर्स का पेपर होता है, ये 50 मार्क्स का पेपर होता है, ये मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन का पेपर होता है और ये ओएमआर शीट पे फिल करके ही इसका आंसर दिया जाता है। और इसके सारे क्वेश्चंस कंपलसरी होते हैं, कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती। और क्योंकि ये कंप्यूटर से चेक होता है तो बेसिकली वी डोंट हैव अ चॉइस ऑफ गोइंग फॉर रीवैल्यूएशन। तो हम इसके लिए रीवैल्यूएशन नहीं करवा सकते, तो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि हम फर्स्ट गो में ही इस पेपर को पास करें। तो आइए इसके क्वेश्चन देखते हैं और इनको सॉल्व करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ ह्यूमन मॉडिफाइड एनवायरनमेंट, दैट इज प्लांटेशंस। Which one of the following is not one of the 17 sustainable development goals? तो basically अगर आप ये 17 sustainable goals learn कर लेंगे तो हमेशा हर साल इस पे एक क्वेश्चन जरूर होता है और इसका आंसर अभी फिलहाल के लिए है सोशल इक्विटी एंड इक्वालिटी, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट part of 17 sustainable development goals. So then is which one of the following is not a decomposer? That is culture. Obviously the extent of biosphere is about, so 11,000 meter below the surface of the earth to 9,000 meter above the mean sea level. Let's do this. Then we have primary consumers are found at, that is trophic level 2. How many % of water is present on the earth's surface in the form of fresh water? That is about 1%. Derrita's food chain begins with, that is begins with a producer. Maple, beech and oak are found in temperate deciduous forest. Unattached organisms which live at the air-water interface are known as neutron. Then we have this. Then we have which of the following is not a part of lentic ecosystems? That is river. Then we have in which of the following process solid water directly changes into water vapor? That is one of the basic question. Then we have kul is a traditional irrigation practice in the state of, so kul जो है एक traditional practice कौन सी state के लिए है? That is हिमाचल प्रदेश. Then we have which of the following soil supports cultivation of rubber? That is red soil. Which one of the following is not one of the consequences of excessive irrigation? That is increase of productivity, increase in productivity substantial. Let's mark this. Now, which one of the following is a economic significance of forest? That is forest products used for pharmaceuticals. Again, which one of the following is the cause of deforestation? Is not a cause of deforestation. That is selective cutting of trees. In which of the following states was successfully implemented joint forest management? That is West Bengal. Which one of the following are the most evident life forms on the earth in terms of number? That is insects and microorganisms. The Trans-Himalayan Biographic region is found in Ladakh. Which one of the following biogeographic region covers the largest in India? That is the Deccan Peninsula. Which one of the following is an indirect use value of biodiversity? That is aesthetic value. Which one of the following is a conventional source of energy, that is atomic energy. The first wave energy project in India was set up at Vijinja. Then India's maximum commercial energy comes from coal. Which one of the following is not a factor of sustainable carrying capacity for the human species, that is knowledge system? Insecticides, particularly chlorinated hydrocarbons, reduce the population level of bald eagle. Invasive species which cause skin allergies is, ये वही क्वेश्चन है जो लास्ट ईयर भी एक आया था, दैट इज कांग्रेस वी. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इन सीटू कंजर्वेशन प्रोग्राम, दैट इज नेशनल पार्क्स. Then we have which of the following is located which one of the following wetland is located in Odisha, that is Chilika. Which one of the following is non-point source pollution, that is runoffs from agricultural fields. Which one of the following is major source of ozone as a pollutant, that is photochemical reaction? Which one of the following is a secondary air pollutant, that is sulfur trioxide? Then we have which one of the following is a physical agent of water pollution, that is particulates. Then we have which one of the following is not a symptom of toxicity, which is releasing ionizing radiations. And which one of the following is not a biological treatment of waste, which is labooning. Which one of the following is not a part of organic waste, that is plastics. Which one of the following is not a benefit of recycling of waste, that is it does not pollute the environment. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, was established at the year 1988. So this is also a very common question which usually comes. Then ozone is found in, obviously, that is stratosphere, which is a part of atmosphere. Then pH of unpopulated water is, this is also a very common question, 5.7. Which of the following amendments made the protection and improvement of natural environment as fundamental duty, that is 42nd Amendment Act. Convention on the Control of Transboundary Movement of Hazardous Waste and their Disposal is known as the Basel Convention. In Delhi, new vehicles should have pollution prevention mechanism comparable to BS4. At the dawn of agriculture, about 8,000 BC, the world population was somewhere around, that is 5 million. Which one of the following terms is not a part of WHO definition of health, just psychological? Which one of the following is not a geological hazard, that is glacier advances? In which year Indian coastline experienced the most devastating tsunami in the recorded history, that is 2004. Which one of the following is not one of the three major views on nature? That is the Eastern, the Western, the Semitic, and the Indian are the three views. So, part है उसके. Let's do this. Then, which of the following is not a category of environmental equity? That is psychological. And then, and this center at TERI works in the area of renewable energy and environment. तो ये तो आपका जून 2025 का BE 181 के क्वेश्चन पेपर की आंसर की. अगर आपको और कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.